Welcome to the Navi Planner 4000 Introduction demonstration. To switch to the next screen, please left-click the mouse. A product for ship and shore paperless navigation. The Navi Planner software is intended for creating safe routes, voyage and schedule plans on the basis of weather and chart information, port of entry requirements, and tides and currents data. The software is also designed to request online data and subsequently work with this information, such as charts, weather, and Admiralty information overlay. Navi Planner software performs the following tasks shown on the screen. Automatic route creation capability is available via the A to B via C application included with the Navi Planner. Automatic route creation is possible thanks to the A to B via C distance tables built into the Navi Planner. Simply enter points of departure from port and arrival to port, then select the via point and the route will be calculated and exported to the Navi Planner. The Navi Planner also serves as a chart administration tool, providing the end user with the following vital chart handling capabilities. Charts installation. Obtaining information on the installed chart status. Requesting and subsequent updating of data, such as catalogue, licenses, permits and updates. Weather. The Navi Planner can also be used as a weather station, allowing the following tasks to be performed. Weather display and online forecast requests. Route optimization by weather conditions. Routes and weather play ahead. Using Navi Planner, all the route credentials will be easily and simply completed. A major feature of Navi Planner is voyage plan creation, which is possible with both automatic and manual data collection. As a planning tool, Navi Planner can display, request and update Admiralty Information Overlay, AIO. The AIO is intended for use in combination with the TADS ENC data as a way of drawing attention to the UKHO's temporary and preliminary T&P notices to mariners relevant to the ENC cells being viewed. Navi Planner also allows the creation of user maps and manual chart updates. Complete the created voyage plan by entering the general information. As a type-approved route creator and chart administration tool, the Navi Planner provides a number of print types, as required by different inspections. Press the button to run Navi Planner 4000. Navi Planner starts loading. The Navi Planner software is intended for creating safe routes, voyage and schedule plans on the basis of weather and chart information, port of entry requirements, and tides and currents data. The software is also designed for requesting and further working with the data, such as charts, weather forecasts, Admiralty Information Overlay. The Navi Planner screen can be arbitrarily divided into the following areas: Task Selection, Ribbon, and Chart Panel. Navi Planner has 4 main tasks: Route, Charts, Weather, and Overlays. The ribbon displays the main functions within the framework of the selected task. This functionality is organized as a set of tabs. Each tab is split into groups which combine functional buttons used to perform a certain subtask. Use the arrows to scroll groups. The chart panel is designed to display electronic charts, own ship symbol with motion vectors, and routes. The chart panel toolbar contains the following buttons: a head button, to return the own ship symbol display to the chart panel. Zoom in button, to increase the chart display area scale. Zoom out button, to decrease the chart display area scale. Original Scale button, to display the chart at the original scale. Raster Chart Preview button, to open the panel for viewing raster format charts at original scale. Info button, to activate the info cursor for obtaining information. Display Category button, to switch presentations of different chart display types. AIO button, to display Admiralty Information Overlay on the chart panel. Maps button, to select map layers, Layer A and Layer B. Weather Overlay button, to turn on or off weather layer on the chart panel. Tides and Currents Overlay button, to turn on or off the display of tides, tidal currents, and surface currents on the chart panel. Settings button, to open the Settings window to adjust Navi Planner configuration. Transas Integrator button, to open Transas Integrator bar. To obtain license information, select the Transas button. The About window will display information about the Navi Planner product license and the functions enabled for use. To exit the program, select the Exit button. The Navi Planner allows the use of a free cursor, which is moved over the entire screen by the trackball and acquiring various forms in the different screen areas. In the chart area, the cursor may take the form of different tools, switched by pressing the right trackball button. View cursor, electronic range and bearing line cursor, zoom cursor, The View cursor features additional capabilities. If the left trackball button is pressed, Review function is turned on, and the cursor acquires the form of a graphics cursor. Depending on settings, the graphic cursor can be displayed in two forms, short cursor and long cursor. By moving the cursor with the trackball, charts can be viewed beyond the screen boundary. View cursor appearance when positioned on a lighthouse. Select the left trackball button to call the lighthouse data card. Zoom cursor appears on the chart panel by pressing the right trackball button. Selecting the left trackball button turns on Zoom function. The cursor takes the form of the graphic cursor. Position the graphic cursor in the corner of the chart fragment. Select the required chart fragment by moving the cursor. Press the left trackball button. The chart panel scale will change so that the selected chart fragment is fully displayed on the chart panel. ERBL cursor appears on the chart panel by pressing the right trackball button. Pressing the left trackball button turns on ERBL function. The cursor takes the form of a graphic cursor. After a second click of the left trackball button, the cursor obtains the second form of the graphic cursor. Coordinates from the ERBL, bearing and range to the selected point, are displayed in the information window. Press the right trackball button to exit from graphic cursor. In ERBL True Mode, bearing and range to any electronic chart point are measured relative to the ship's position. The cursor is attached to the chart point where it's set. If the cursor is immobile, then as the ship is moving, the range and bearing change in the cursor information window, whereas the geographic coordinates remain constant. In ERBL mode, the bearing and range to any electronic chart point are measured relative to the point where the cursor was set in ERBL True mode. To obtain information on point-type objects, set the display of the required area and select the Info button. Position the acquisition marker on the point of the chart where information is required and click the left trackball button. The Info panel will display the list of pages with available information on the objects. Select the necessary notation and press the left trackball button. To obtain information on line and area type objects, select the Info button. Position the acquisition marker on the boundary of an area type object or any part of a line type object where information is required, and click the left trackball button. The Info panel will display the list of pages with available information on the objects. To obtain information on map objects, position the acquisition marker on the map object and click the left trackball button. The Info panel will display the list of pages with available information on the map objects. Select User Charts layer and press the left trackball button. To close the Info panel, press the Close button.